Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's fix Dropbox cannot upload files. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Dropbox. Head over to your Play Store, and if you see this open, that means your application is already updated. If you see update, select update and update your app. Once done, head over to your Dropbox and make sure that you have enough space so that other files can be uploaded. If you think you're out of space, you're going to have to delete each one of the file that are taking more spaces. Now for the next step, long tap onto Dropbox, select the eye icon. It'll open your settings page, select storage and clear the cache. Come back onto App Info page, also make sure the permissions are given. Select permissions and select permissions for contacts, camera, and photos and videos if you would like. And once done, select Force Stop and it will cause the application to temporarily close. Select OK. Restart your device, launch a Dropbox, try again, and it will definitely work.